Hello everyone, and this video is going to be on OSI reference model. And I have made a short video, so if this is the first time you come across OSI reference model, hopefully after seeing this video you should be having a clear understanding of what it is and what the layers represent. So first of all, we'll talk about application layer. Now, what application does, it provides an interface for the user. Example for Firefox, Chrome. These web browsers come under application layer. The next layer would be presentation layer. Now, once you're on your web browser, the things that are presented to you come under presentation layer. For example, text, images, audio, movies, these all come under presentation layer. So what presentation layer is, that it what is presented to the user in the interface. The third would be session layer. Now what session layer is, that if from your home you need to make a transfer to a bank account, from your home to the server in the bank, you have to have a session so you can provide communication. So what session layer is, it provides a session between the two devices. So it can session falls under full duplex, half duplex, and simplex. Then comes the transport layer. Now what transport layer, it's responsible for the transfer of your data. So like I was talking about the bank transfer, now whatever data is to be transported would come under transport layer. Transport layer comes under, either it could be TCP or UDP. Then comes the network layer. Now this is here where routers come in place. What network layer does is provides networking between different networks. Then we have the data link layer. Now what data link layer is, here where switches come inside. It's the MAC address. Now what it does is provides networking within the network. Then we have the physical layer. Now what physical layer does, it transfers raw bits to physical mediums such as cable, hubs, connectors. So these were the 7 layers of the OSI model. Now the best thing to learn to understand is just imagine yourself in front of your PC and how data would go and how things would work out. I'll just go again. The application layer is your web browser. The presentation layer, what's inside your web browser, text, images. Session layer is when a session is made between two devices for communication. The transport layer is how data is to be transported. The network layer is how two networks are going to talk to each other, and the routers come in here in place. Then the data link layer. Now here within a network, within a network you don't need a router. It's where switches come in place. Switches learn the MAC address of the PC and the communication takes place. The physical layer, that involves, you can see by the name, it involves the physical components of your transport, is cable, hubs, connectors. So guys, I hope this video was informative and you could just understand how the OSI layer works.